All right, look, here's the deal. I know that a lot of you are disappointed about our beloved popcorn machine being out of order over there by Jake. Where's Jake at? Where's Jake at? The popcorn machine right over there. Yeah, I know, it's tragic. Y'all are upset, as am I. But Lance has completely changed the game at the shop here and brought in the baddest toaster oven to ever hit the market. And
Brad Jones, buddy Brad Jones.
Black & Decker, actually. Wow. So we got good stuff over here right now. We're cooking some queso. He's made something.
This is called a Spanish casserole.
Spanish casserole. You guys need to drop some comments below. Let me know what you guys would like to see us cook in the new Black & Decker toaster oven, courtesy of Lance and Black & Decker. Huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Black & Decker, and your man Lance with no pants. Lance pants. These intros are getting kind of ridiculous. Look, all right. Let's not talk about the shoes here. I know one of y'all was gonna say something. We're not talking about the shoes here, okay? I got the Nike slides and jeans on. No socks. Look at how I'm standing right now. Look at that stance. Look at that. Hey, I just got out of the shower. My toes are clean. Hey, y'all leave me alone. Y'all, I've been working hard today, okay? We put a leveling kit on this thing. I've been working hard. So yes, this is not clickbait. We did kind of squat the Tahoe a little bit. Let me give you guys we are sitting in the driveway, but let me give you guys a little bit better look. So we put like a 2.5, I think it's a 2.5 inch leveling kit on the front of the Tahoe. It's definitely squatting a little bit now. And you can see, you can see that in there, that little nice little block we put in there. Huge shout out to your boy for installing it. I did get Davis's help, so if my guys at work watch this, yes, Davis did help me. But for the majority, I put this on myself. You know, I'm pretty proud of that. You know, it's just a leveling kit, but I don't do a lot of stuff like that, so I'm pretty proud. You know, huge shout out to the Bread Gang for the support. I want to thank my mom, the Academy. I want to thank Matt. I want to thank everybody, all the supporters out there, for, you know, for supporting me and putting on this leveling kit. It was a big ordeal. We got the boys over here to wash the truck today because we're starting the wrap tomorrow, or I think we're starting the wrap tomorrow. The wrap is inside. The wrap that's going on the Tahoe is inside the house right now. Right now. Wow, that was loud. Inside right now. She's too scared to open the box, and I'm not gonna open it either, obviously, until she opens it. I'm excited. So stay tuned. I don't think I'll film a little bit of that tomorrow, maybe, but I think, what's today, Wednesday? Thursday, Friday. Friday's video that I'm filming will be more about the wrap, and then y'all will see it Saturday or Sunday. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're pushing close to 10K. We're a little over 8,000. You guys need to help me out. Let's try and get there, and I'll get a Bread Gang tattoo somewhere. So let's get to 10K. He's a jumper, yeah. He likes to jump and say hi. Hey, come show me your collar. Come show me your bandana. Y'all see the bandana? Hey, come here. Hey, show me your bandana. Y'all see the bandana? My boy's styling. My boy is a stud. For those of you that don't know, this is Saint. Saint's my boy. Hey, all right, okay. So we'll say hello later. But we squatted the Tahoe. Wow. Ow, what just stabbed me in the foot? Ow. Wow. You step on my feet, huh? What is with you and stepping on my feet, huh? What are you doing? What are you, come on, get off of my feet. Thank you. Look at this. So I haven't actually, this is a little teaser for you guys, or little spoiler alert. We got some wheel spacers for the back of the truck, and I thought this was for the front and the back. And then halfway through taking these out, I realized, holy shit, this is just the rear ones together. That is a 4-inch spacer. That's as wide as my freaking hand is. Look at that.
Say bye to your bearings.
That's insane.
Pubs have left the chat.
That's so crazy. Y'all are joking. I'm actually a little worried to put these on.
I would be.
I'm actually kind of worried. So 4-inch spacers. So we got two options here. We can either take the 2-inch block off the back and put the 4-inch on, or we just throw the 4-inch on with the 2-inch, and then we run 6 inches wide on the back, which is probably more than I would want to do. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do. Add it to the 2 inches or take the 2 inches off and just run 4. I don't know, you let me know. For those of you that don't know, yesterday's video actually has a teaser of what the actual color is. There's a very brief, like half a second, just split second clip of what the actual color is. So go check out yesterday's video, watch all the way through to find where that clip is, and you'll get to see the color before we reveal it on the channel. Well, long story short, as you guys can tell, we squatted the Tahoe, and we might be putting some new wheels on it this weekend to see if we like them. Man. I'm just gonna stop before I say too much. I'll see you guys next time. I'm out of here. Let's get this bread.